Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond to the chat for me, guys? Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond to the chat for me. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. A very good morning, guys. Very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which are covered in our yesterday's session. Yesterday, we started discussing about connection pooling concept. Yes, we actually know what is connection pooling. Basically, by using connection pooling, we will be able to provide better services to the user. As simple as this. Even though we used connection pooling, still if we are having a problem means load balancing. We need to balance the load. So in order to do that, again, another concept will be there. Like in Spring Boot, it will be there. Okay. So please don't think like by only connection pooling we'll be able to solve all the problems. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. There will be, see, when you're speaking about a website, there will be some lot of problems will be coming whenever that problem is there. We need to modify the code according to that. Then only we'll be able to sort it out. All right. So yeah, these are all the concepts which are covered in our ST session. Still 3 to 4 concepts are there in JDBC. 3 to 4 concepts. First one is like metadata concept. Second one is blob and clob data. How to accept binary large object or character large object. In simple, how to pass an image into the database and how to pass a large text file into the database and how to retrieve it back. How many of you completed IO streams? IO streams. Then fine, you know, very simple. If you complete IO streams, that concept also will be very simple. And then we'll be having one more separate concept known as batch processing. So there are 3 topics are there. Those 3 topics easily will be able to cover. See, maximum important topics, concepts, which we are supposed to have an idea in JDBC, already done. We already completed. Few concepts are there. We'll be discussing that. All right. So what shall we do today? Shall I go with a concept or shall I let's just try to have a small interaction? It's your opinion. Say loudly. Take a minute time. Your wish. Concept or an interaction. If you say interaction, I'm not going to discuss the topic today. Online students, I need your opinion also. Feel free to message me in the chat. Feel free to message. Message me in the chat, then only I can proceed. Interaction. Okay, let me ask you this. How many needs concept? Raise your hands. Feel free. Down. How many don't need a concept? Raise your hands. Absolutely okay. No need to free. I mean, come on. Every day we are discussing. Okay, down. Democracy wins. All right. We'll try to do both. Shall we? Let's first speak about concept. We'll be completing it, and after that, we'll move on with our normal interaction. Is that okay? Why? Because come on, every day we are discussing the concept. Yeah, fine, but let's have a normal conversation today, right? So first, let us just try to complete the concept. Okay. First things first. Today we are going to speak about metadata. You tell me. Normally, you tell me. What do you mean by metadata? Data about the data. In our JDBC, there are actually 4 types of metadata are there. Database metadata, parameter metadata, result set metadata, and Row set metadata. As simple as this. When you're speaking about database metadata, what it is going to provide, it provides information related to the database. Literally, information related to the database. For example, let me just try to open. Okay, new class JDBC underscore app 11. Okay, now first things first, obviously we need all our private variables. Let me just try to get back here. These are all our variables which we need, obviously. After that, we are using connect method also. Okay. Let us just try to write one more small method. Void method one system.out.println implementing metadata. Okay, by the way, guys, everyone knows how to write this. I sure, including case like small letters and cap letters. Okay, that is good. And you understood this connect method also. Okay. Now, actually, once we started with our MVC project, we are going to make this connect method as static. Wait for it. We'll see. Just wait for it. Okay. Now, implementing metadata. All right. First, let me just try to have a try block. Try catch catch exe between exception ex. Okay. Exception e and e dot print stack trace method. Okay. You know how to get our connection reference. Let me just try to call connect method. Its return type is a connection. Okay, just let me try to get my connection. Okay. Now, just why I'm getting an error? It's not run type is void. Just a second. Yeah, that is the first program I copy pasted. Let us just try to use this. Better. Done. Okay. Now, connection. Okay. Now, con dot get metadata. Con dot get metadata. Please tell me what is the return type for this method? Database metadata. Okay, equal to database mtdt or else mdt. Database metadata. Please tell me totally how many types of metadatas are there? First one is database metadata. Right now, I'm dealing with this database metadata. By using this database, I mean, lot of methods are there. Literally, lot of methods are there. But most frequently used methods, for example, system.out.println, this is one method. By using this method, we will be able to get the name. Just let me try to keep it like this. Okay. Please give me a minute. Okay. After that, database product version, which version we are using, which driver we are using, whether is our database supporting stored procedures or not. Boolean method, just a Boolean method. Let's try to execute. Let me go to my main method. Okay, inside the main method, new JDBC app 11 dot method one. Directly, I'm trying to call my method one. Right click, run as, just a second. right click, run as Java application. What is your database version? I mean, what is the database name? Oracle. Which database version I am using? And we are using Oracle JDBC driver, thin driver. And after that, our database, like my database is actually supporting, it is actually supporting stored procedures. Sir, where we will be using this? You try to tell me where generally we'll be using this. Just try. Okay. For example, you got placed in one company. Okay. Your team lead provided you the project and he told to work on the project. He told to work on the project. You cannot directly go to your team lead and ask which version of Oracle you are using. Why? Because you know that version matters. Depending upon your version, Oracle version, you need to choose your Java version. Depending upon that only, you need to choose your Eclipse also. Yes or no? I told you yesterday, did you check which version is most frequently used? Java? Java. So Java is okay, fine. But coming to Oracle, it's not going to work like that. When you are dealing with a real-time project, version capabilities, version compatibilities is must. So you should be knowing which version you are using, which driver you are using, which database you are using, all these. So in order to know that, this metadata information, as simple as this, guys, by using metadata, you cannot perform any logics. I hope you understand me. For example, by using result set, can we perform the logic? Result set. We can retrieve the data, we can manipulate the data, we can pass the data, yes or no? But by using metadata, no, that's not an option for you. By using metadata, the only thing is you will be able to know about your concepts. That's it, not more than that. Am I clear with this? Okay. This is database metadata. For example, not only these, there are other methods are also there, but most frequently used. Okay. Let me just try to take a parameterized metadata. So parameterized metadata parameter metadata means, let me take a prepare statement. Okay. Prepare statement deals with parameterized SQL queries. Okay. Con dot prepare statement, and I'm going to use SELECT select star from employee where EMP ID or EID? EID. Are you sure? Okay, I understood. System manager EID. All right. Select star from employee where EID equal to question mark. Okay. Equal to BSTMT belongs to prepared statement. PREPA. Okay. Prepared statement. Fine, fine, fine. Now we need to set the string value. Na? Let us go like PSTMT dot set string one. Which ID is 101 present? 101. Set line size 200. 200 and select star from employee. Okay, 101 is there. Fine. So I'm going to give 101. And after that, please tell me the query. Tell me the code. PSTMT dot execute. I'm impressed. Execute query, and its return type is belongs to result set. Okay, okay. Now we gone through with database metadata. Just system.out.println. This is database metadata. We already gone through it. Right now, let us try to deal with the parameter metadata. Just let me try to keep it like this. When you're speaking about parameter metadata, there will be, my version will not support. Let us check get metadata and please tell me what is its return type? Result set metadata. Okay. Let me just try to hang on. I want to go with first parameter metadata. Okay. Now please tell me what is its return type? Parameter metadata. Okay, okay. Let me get back here equal to parameter metadata PMTDT. Parameter metadata. Okay. And obviously I need to import. Kindly please do remember, you already know this. All our JDBC API are present inside which package? Java.sql package. Okay. Let me just try to get back here. And you know this, you can directly use dot star, but I will not recommend that. Please don't use it. Please don't use it. Okay. Make sure to import the classes or interfaces which actually our program needs. As a developer, we should be knowing them. I hope it's clear, right? Okay, just let us try to get back here. Get parameter. Okay, now here also I'm going to use, just let me try to use get parameter count. First, I'm going to use get parameter count plus pmtdt dot get parameter count. Parameter metadata, just let me 2, 3, 4. Okay. After that, get parameter type. I'm just going to write like this. And here I'm going to give one type. Okay. After that, get parameter mode. Is it like in parameter or out parameter? Let me just try to keep it like get parameter mode. I'm just going to give one. After that is nullable. Hang on. Is it null or not? Let me just try to keep it like this. Now is nullable. Okay, just like this. Let me just try to, I want to ask a small question. In parameter or out parameter? In or out parameter? Where we discussed about this concept? Callable statement. That is when we are speaking about procedures and functions. Please respond, Ra. Do you remember that? When I speak about procedures and functions, on that day, I told you in parameters and out. Please close your laptops. Okay. Is it? Do you close it? Good. Great. So on that day, I don't know whether you remember or not. I told you callable statement internally uses prepared statement. Do you remember that? So that is the reason I'm trying to use, but right now I will not be able to get all this. Why? Because I'm actually not dealing with the procedures or functions. Let's just try to check this. I'm only trying to get my parameter count. Let's see. Right click, run as Java application. How many parameters are there? According to this query, there is only one parameter. Okay. What about if I'm trying to give this parameter type? Am I able to get my parameter type? No. See, unsupported feature. I mean, come on, I'm not using procedures, huh? You need respond, guys. If I'm keeping this in comment, let us just try to check for remaining also unsupported feature. I'll not be able to get the count also. Let us just try to get this last, like whether is it nullable or not. Am I clear with this? So the methods which we are actually supporting, you will be able to get it. Otherwise, no. Is that clear, guys? Okay. So please tell me totally how many metadata informations are there for us? Respond. First one. Done. Next one. Done. Next one. Result set. Result set metadata. Now you tell me, just you try to tell me my remaining things. Come on. Go ahead. I want to get my result set metadata. Tell me what I need to do. Just try to tell me the code. RS Tell me rs dot get metadata. Absolutely correct. That's it then. What is its return type? Result set metadata. Okay, let's get back to here equal to result set metadata rsmtdt result set metadata, and then after that I just want to print here this is parameter metadata. Just okay. Now let me copy it. I just want to paste it. This is result set metadata. Now here also in result set metadata also, I just provided you some methods. Get column count, get column name, get column display. Is it auto increment or not? Can you try? No. Can you try with these methods? No. Okay. I'll do this. Next I want you to do it. Is that okay? Let's go. First, let us try to go with get column count. Okay. Basically, this is the method. Get column count. Yeah, sure. Okay. Plus rsmtdt dot get column count. Let's try to execute. Let's try to execute. Okay. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Wi-Fi. Did you remember our query? What is the query which we are using? Select start from employee where EID equal to. You need to respond, guys. You're understanding now. What if I write, for example, here in the query, where is our query? Select, uh, I'm going to write ename. No, let's try to check this, shall we? Right click, run as Java application. Ename is not there. What is that? EF name, sorry. EF name. One more time. I just want to go execute one more time. Right click, run as Java application. Please tell me. I hope you're understanding the concept here, guys. So that actually according to our query, whatever the query which you are giving, information will be retrieved. Simple as it is. Okay. Get column count. After that, just let me try to use get column name. Yeah, I'll be able to get my column name also. We'll see. Okay, get column name, and I'm going to give 2. So let's try to check. Right click, run as Java application. I hope you are getting me right. Okay, after that, let's move on with the next one. Get column display size. Let's find out. Okay, let me just try to remove this. Display size. Okay, and here SIZD size, and I'm going to give 2. EF name. EF name. Are you understanding our output? Let's find out. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. Now, just one last thing, that is, let me just try to check with that. Is it auto increment or not? Let us just try to go with like this. And you know that it is not auto increment. I'm going with the 2. And obviously, we must be getting our output as false. That's it. Now, 4 metadata informations. First one is, please tell me, database metadata. After that, parameter metadata. After that, result set metadata. After that, row set metadata. I have a question for you. Don't look in your laptops. Don't discuss with anyone. Try to remember right now. If I ask you to write a code for cached row set, I want you to write a code for cached rosette to retrieve EID, EF name, EL name from employee, where EID is equal to something. Try to remember the code for cached rosette. Switch on that light. Cached rosette. Don't look in your notes. Seriously. How many of you remembered? Yeah, that's what I thought. Take time. Think. Don't look in your notes, I said. Or else, I mean, don't look in your laptop. Cached rosette. When you're speaking about rosette, see, whenever you want to remember a particular topic, don't try to concentrate only on the topic. Try to remember previously covered concepts and next covered concepts. For example, when I asked you cached rosette, where we cover this cached rosette. When we discussed about rosette after result set, after result set. So result set is by default non-scrollable, by default not updatable. So row set is by default scrollable, by default updatable. We already know that. Okay. There are five types of rows. I mean, two types classified into five: JDBC row set and cached row set. Right now, we need to discuss about cached row set. Okay. When we discussed about that program, I think we did not use driver manager.get connection method. On the day sir told no need to use it, there is a separate concept for rosette, I told you. Did you remember that? Try to remember like this. Code is on the board. Now you remember? Tell me. Just tell me one thing. Why you are very good at prepared statement, callable statement, and why not this one? Practice. Just practice. This is a typical example for you. If you are not practicing, you will forget. That's what. Okay. Did you remember? Okay. Tell me what is this RSF? How you will be getting that rosette factory? We need to call a method. Which method we need to call? New factory method. It's a static method which is present in rosette provider class. Come on, guys. You need to remember that. On the day, clearly I told you. Okay. Anyways, let me just try to get that, and I'll be using exactly the same. I hope it's okay for you. Let me just try to close 7. Okay. Just the same row set I am taking, exactly the same. And coming to SQL query also, this is our SQL query. I'm using exactly the same. I'm not writing anything new. Same concept. Cache row set. Whatever we are dealing with result set, same we can use for row set also. Exactly the same. Means, for example, I'll do one thing. First, let me try to get CRS dot, okay, CRS dot metadata, get metadata actually equal to row set metadata, ROWSET. What is this row set metadata? We need to typecast our RSTMT just like this. Let me just try to typecast it. Now, this is row set metadata. Please observe. This is different. This is result set. Okay, I do one thing. I don't want you to get confused. ROWMTDT. Is that okay? Instead of getting confused, I'm not even changing the method names. Same method names, exactly the same. Let's find out. Right. And what is the query? Did you remember the query? Select EID, EF name, ECell from employee. Okay, let's see. Okay, now how many columns we are having? 3 columns. Column name, EF name. Display size 20. Is it auto increment? No. As simple as this. Done. Metadata done. I already told you the only use of metadata is to get the information from the database or else regarding your parameters. That's it. Not more than that. Your turn. Go ahead. Try to execute this. Let's see. No need to write this entire notes. I'll upload this in the Google Classroom. Is that okay? And by the way, just eyes on the board for me. Up to now, in our JDBC concepts, these are all the objects which we have interacted with. Do we know connection, statement, repeat statement, callable statement, result set, row set? How many types are there? What are those? Wait, think, think. What are those 5 types? How many of you remember all the 5? Yeah. JDBC row set, cache row set, web row set, join row set, and filter row set. 5 row sets. After that, right now, database metadata. No, tell me yes. Parameter metadata, result set metadata, row set. Yes, we already covered all this. I hope it's clear, guys. Now, come on, let's try to check whether you're able to do the same thing or not. Just recreate the same program. Go ahead. Can you write the program by looking at these methods? No, please tell me yes or no. Start. If you want me to show me the code, please do let me know. I'll show. First, just try. What? What? You will be getting more screen to code. If you are having any doubts, feel free to discuss. Feel free to discuss, no problem. Happily you can discuss. It's not any assignment, so feel free to discuss if you're having any doubt. And if you want me to show me the code also, please do let me know. I'll show you. But I advise first try. You want me to show me the code? Anyone wants to let me know. When you're dealing with parameter metadata, you will be getting an option like unsupported features. Okay, so don't worry about it. Maximum, you will be able to execute only with this one. This method will work properly. Remaining, you will be getting an exception. So no need to worry. You can continue. Method is okay, feature is not supporting. Okay. Right now, most of you are actually working with shortcuts. Yes or no? Control space, and you are looking at the method names now. That is exactly how we will do in real time also. That is the reason I did not show you the code. I told you to write it by yourself. So if anyone is having a trouble at database metadata, the code is on the board. Database metadata. Is it clear for everyone? Database metadata? Respond. Okay. Then please. Online students, if completed, kindly please do let me know. How many of you guys completed? Raise your hands. Completed. Okay, down. Others, be fast. Done. 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 Is it done? How many of you completed? Please raise. Okay. Online students, I hope it's complete, guys, for everyone. If possible, I want you to kindly please respond to the chat for me. Okay. Okay, fine. All right. Do one thing. If you want to take a screenshot, feel free to take a screenshot. Anyone, starting from here. If anyone wants to take a pic, feel free to take a pic. That's it. Done. Okay. Close your laptops, everyone. Close. Done. Close, 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 close. Close. Control S. Close. Feel free to close. Don't shut down. Just close. If you're taking, you shut down. It's okay. No problem. No problem. No problem. No, shutdown, it will take time now. Close, pack everything, just sit back, relax. No need to write anything. I'm done for today. Pack everything. Feel free to pack everything. Okay, relax. All right, guys. Now, I have a question for you. One more time, I'm asking. Almost nearly 18 to 20, 18 days completed? 20 days. Below 20 days. Let's keep like that. Almost 20 days got completed. Are you comfortable with the way which our classes are going on? No, feel free. Okay. Online students, I need your opinion also. Please respond to the chat for me, guys. Please respond to me in the chat. Online students, are you guys comfortable with how our classes are going on? Is that okay for you? I think you remember starting only, I told you nearly 22, 25 days below we'll be completing JDBC, I said, right? So 100% maximum within 2 days, next 3 days. It will be getting completed. JDPC will be getting completed. After that, we will be starting with our server program. Some JDBC is already done. That is the only reason I told you to go and join Spring Boot also. Morning 7 o'clock batch is getting started now. Yes, I mean for not for placement guys, for normal people. Yes. So feel free to go and join. No problem. You guys are eligible for Spring Boot also. I mean, once we complete JDBC, you can join. And coming to servlets, maximum by Wednesday, I'm guessing, according to my opinion, we'll start with servlet programming. Wednesday, we'll be having a little bit theory. Thursday, mostly we'll be trying to deal with installation of server. Installation of server. Up to now, we did not install any server. So we'll be dealing with installation of server and then some JSP also. I'll be giving you the notes. First, I want you to write all the things, data, notes, and then we can continue with our coding, right? And advanced Java, I already said 3 phases. Phase 1, I'll write, you will write. Phase 2, we both will try to write the code parallelly. Phase 3, you will not wait for me, you will write the code I said. Currently, you guys are present almost at the ending of phase 1, starting of phase 2. Once we started with servlet programming, then you will be able to do that. I mean, you'll be able to achieve phase 3, right? So practice actually makes a very crucial role. All right, I am satisfied with the way how you guys are interacting. So now it's your time. Feel free to ask me any questions. Literally When I say any question, literally any question. If I can answer, I will answer. Otherwise, pass. No, there are some things which I cannot answer. You know that. So feel free. Go ahead. What? Salary. Who asked salary? Who asked raise? Who asked salary? Tell me. You. Okay. Salary, I cannot directly say that, obviously. But let me make this simple. Tax slabs. How many slabs are there? First, try to know the tax slabs. I am almost at the ending. Then you will be able to get an idea. And anyone else? Feel free. Anything. You can ask me. Go ahead. Don't think like, can I ask or not? You will not be getting this time again. Trust me. Every day we'll be discussing a concept. Yes or no? And when we are discussing the concept, how, you know, enthusiastically we'll be discussing also, you already know that. So you'll not be getting this time again. Your time. Ask anything. Anything. When I say anything, literally anything. Have you done any job in IT? Have you done any job in IT? Currently also I'm working, but I may not be able to say the company name. If you observe, I'll be able to respond to my Instagram night 10:30, 11. If you observe, why at that time? At that time only I'll open my project, right? And first, first interview experience. Oh my God, that is a nightmare for me. But anyways, as you asked me, definitely I'll let you know. I don't think whether I shared this story with my previous core Java students or not, but definitely I'll let you know. Actually, I did my MCA, Master of Computer Applications. I did my MCA. After completion of my MCA, just like how you guys have sat, same I also sat in another institute. Okay, in another institute and working on it. I mean, trying to learn Java. I spent nearly 6 months, 6 to 7 months. I think I learned Java. After that, what happened? One fine day, my father made a call to me and said, Kishan, you are having a brother named as Rajesh. My brother name is, I don't know. My father went to one marriage. At that marriage, he met someone, long, long, long relation. Are you getting me? And he asked me, I mean, he asked that person, like, my son completed MCA. He wants a job. He's actually trying to get a job. Please try to help him. Underline the word please. In English, please will be very good. Try to convert in your own mother tongue. Then you'll understand the importance of please. Please try to get a job for him. Fine, done. And he made a call to his son, and his son name is Rajesh. I made a call to him. Brother, this is Kishan speaking. Yeah, Kishan, how are you? I'm very good. I stayed here only. Right now it's Value Mart. Previously it is Big Bazaar. Amirpet Value Mart is a big building. Previously, long back, it is Big Bazaar. Opposite to Big Bazaar, there is a graveyard. If you observe towards Panjagota, just beside that graveyard, there is a big building will be there, top penthouse. I'm staying at there only, not right now. Previous. I made a call to my brother and I said, "This is Kishan. Okay, where are you? I'm staying here. What is happening? I'm learning Java. Very good. How much? How you are good in Java? I'm good. Fine. Okay, fine. No problem. Then we'll try to schedule an interview to you coming Saturday. I made a call on Wednesday. 2 days back, 2 days after, interview is there. You can feel free, come to the interview. HR is my friend only. I'll speak with him. But salary will be less. They may pay you 8,000 or 8,500 like that. This is happening at 2013, 12. I did not remember the year. At that particular time, salary is very less. Okay, fine. I said, I need an experience. So fine, no problem. All right. So I went there. I mean, no, he said interviews on Saturday. Fine, good. It's a very hot summer, by the way. On that day, I asked my brother, what are the concepts which I need to learn? He said, Java, oops. Right now also Java, oops. After 10 years also Java, oops. They will say the same thing. He said, learn oops concepts correctly. Okay, fine. I learned inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. I went to the interview. Trust me, it's a very, very hot summer. And that company is present at Cherlapalli, not at High Tech City, Madhapur, Kondapur. No, there towards Cherlapalli side. Okay, I went to the company. It's a small startup. I went to the company. When we opened the doors, AC came. When I opened the, I hope you are experiencing that. I mean, you're trying to imagine. AC came. Ah, fine, nice. I went into that office and sofa there. Sofa is there. I cap sat on sofa. One person came. He asked, "What do you need?" I said, "I came to for an interview. This is my things." He said, "Okay, sir, please sit down." And he gave me a coffee. AC, sofa, coffee, live set. Literally, my mind is thinking like that only on that time. Fine, I'm very happy. Fine. After 10 minutes, one person went before me, went past me. I understood that he is the person who is actually supposed to interview. Then, exactly after 5 minutes, he called me. I went into the interview room and he asked me to please sit down. I gave the resume. He asked me, tell me about yourself. I told about myself. And normal general questions to test my communication skills. And yeah, fine. I am done with those. I mean, he got satisfied with the way which how I'm communicating. And then give me a notes, any notes, just a notes. I gave a resume, my resume. Yeah, I gave resume to him like this. Na? If we turn the resume, what we will be having? White pages paper. I mean, white paper. That means he wants to ask me coding questions. Wait, he wants to ask me coding questions. Fine. Now, he just turned the resume like this. He showed, like, pushed the resume towards me and asked me, write an edition program. Normal. Write an edition program. Okay. That's it. My pen is not moving. I don't know how to write an edition program. I came to know that I don't know how to write an edition program at that time. I spent 6 months of time learning Java. My pen is not moving. Literally not moving. I can hear my heartbeat. And in my mind, what I am thinking, in my mind, uh, what my father will think. What, see, interviewer, what that interviewer is doing, he is actually trying to sit back, completely sit back, lean on his chair, and is sending some messages, looking at me and sending some messages like this. What I will think, he's sending a message to my brother. What my brother will do, he will make a call to my father. What I am supposed to. At that particular point, my mind lost thinking about the coding. I'm not thinking about the coding. What I am thinking, what I need to tell to my father. And the worst part is, he's not asking me to stop. He knows that I am acting. Honestly, come on. I came from issues, I know. But he's not asking me to stop. Each second is like a hour for me. Literally, that interview room is, and in that situation, I'm getting sweating in AC. Okay. After a few minutes, that particular person said, Kishan, okay, no problem. Please try to, practice more and come back in the after 10 days or 15 days. Job will be there for you. How can I go back to the same job again? How can I show my face? Are you understanding me? I don't know how to write a edition program. Completed MCA, 3 years. Right now, MCA is 2 years. When I'm doing 3 years, completed 6 months of Java training. What the hell I am doing there? I don't know how to write a code. I came out from the interview room, completely that from that company, and I made a call to my friend. Currently, she is my wife. Made a call to her, and I said, "Gone, interview gone. Hey, come on here." I said, "Interview gone." She said, "Okay, no need to worry. Just go back to your room." And on that day evening, I made a call to my father. Dad, I don't think I performed the interview good. And what he said, it's okay, Ra, no problem. I'll try to find another resource for you. Hey, why he should find? That is my responsibility, na? On that day, my father did not scold me. He did not told me anything. What he said, no need to worry. I'll find another resource. How much he can support to me? I'm a dependent, 20 to 23 years. I'm dependent on my father. How much still is supposed to support me? I think about it. 4 months, I completely shut down myself. 4 months. Shut down means morning breakfast, code, lunch, code, evening just came out and for tea, some tea or coffee. That's it. After that, code, dinner, code, sleep. In my room, you will not believe me. You know, in schooling, we will be having charts, na? Big charts. Like that, I wrote complete Java related important concepts on chart and I paste them to my room. Why? Because when I woke up, I'll be looking at them. Na? Subconsciously, those concepts will be present in my mind. Like that, I prepared for 4 months. And then I got a job in MNC. 4 months. 4 months. So that is how my first interview experience. That is the reason I don't know how many of you of my core Java students are there here. What is the very first task which I gave you in the demo classes? You remember that? What I told you? I told you to write 4 methods. Each method should perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and try to call those methods. Do you remember that? This is the reason. I'll see myself in you. As simple as this. Clear, buddy? It's a little bit lengthy thing, but I hope you understand it. So, Eunice, you're asking which degree? MCA, buddy. MCA. How is it life going? Harshvardhan, yeah, it's good. Life is actually very good right now. Very good. 2026 became a father to an amazing daughter. Yeah, fine. How was your daughter? Yeah, she's very good. But today only she had her vaccination. Uh, Very hard to see my daughter crying when needle is inserting. Honestly speaking, I think that will be experienced by every father. Yeah. So fine, everything is good. Anything else, guys? I'm sorry. Mine is love marriage. Yeah, of course I'm love marriage. I I married our professor sister. Yeah, that is another story. That's for another day. Uh, just a minute. Can I? Very interested. As I said, I did my MCA in my college. One of my professor, her sister is my wife. One day I'm going out from the. I'm not a good boy. Okay, trust me. Right now, this is everything is normal thing. College is something different. College environment is different, completely different. Trust me, whatever you imagined, I did in college. Okay. So one day I'm going out from the college, from my classroom balcony, not balcony, corridor will be there now. Come going out from the corridor, and that particular person is coming, professor, is coming forward to me. And he said, where are you going? I'm going, sir, I'm going for water. Go to the classroom. He scolded me. Fine, I went to the classroom, and inside the classroom, I scolded him. He's not there. Are you understand me? I scolded him before his sister. I know she's a sister, but come on, I got frustrated and hey, what your brother is thinking? If he come out, then I'll say, trust me. I scolded him. And what happened? After that, she informed the same thing to her brother. Night, she informed her. And next day he came to me and asked me, what you are saying yesterday? Nothing, sir. Nothing. Nothing. And like that, actually, he became very close. We are a gang of 5 members in college. Kishan, Vijay, Shrikant, Gauss, Sujata. Okay. Now, me, Kishan, and Shrikant are, little bit rebel kind of candidates. So we are very close. We became close to the entire faculty after second semester. And after second semester, that particular person, faculty, he got a job in London. So he's supposed to go to London, UK. Before going, what he did, he called me and Shrikant separately to in a college canteen, not inside the canteen, outside the canteen. Lawn is there. And he told me, guys, I'm going to London. Fine, sir. Please try to take care of my sister. We both said, yes, sir, fine, fine. Just fine. I said fine. He also said fine. Nora, she's from a village. She does not know this city environment. Please try to take care of her. And this stupid fellow Shrikant, what he did, sir, what are you saying, sir? Your sister is our sister. Our sister. I I literally looked at him like this. I did. I still remember that word. I I literally looked at him and what can I say? Is that faculty is there before? Same thing happened when we got marriages got confirmed, and I at that time again he came back from UK to Hyderabad, and I went to give the card, wedding card to him along with my wife. He just looked at me like this. That I went away. So that is how I found my soulmate. Right? Guys, the thing is, everything is in your life, everything is already settled. You will be getting it. But the only thing is, luck favors hard work. Luck favors hard work. Your biggest competitor is you only. Your biggest competition is you only. Just every day, try to get little bit better, just little bit better. Yesterday, if you are 1, today go with 1.5 or else 1.1. Enough, just a little bit better than yesterday. Enough. Enough. A lot of times what people will be doing, they will be forgetting, am I boring? A lot of times what happens, students will be forgetting why you came to Hyderabad. It happened to me, trust me. You'll forget why you came to Hyderabad. You will be lost in, like friends or else like, this is the first time you are getting freedom in your life, I guess, for some people. Previously, colleges, home, everything will be like, free. Freedom will be there. More will be there. You can roam at night time also. Night 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. No one is going to ask you. That is for sure. Amirpet, I know. I stayed here. I roam with my, I know. I know. So the thing is, that is what happens. Most of the time, people will be forgetting why you came to Hyderabad. But the thing is, if you remember the promise or else promises which you made to your parents before coming to Hyderabad, then trust me, you will work. Your thinking will be different. Okay, so that's the only thing I want to say. Work hard. Just remember why you came to Hyderabad, and boys, you need to take the responsibility of your family. Remember that your parents are actually waiting to hear the good news from you. You know that. Lot of come on, Rav. Everyone is like, we are from middle class. We are not Adanis and Ambanis. If 1 month salary is not coming, we'll be having a little bit trouble. Parents are actually eagerly waiting to hear the good news. Trust me. Even if you're getting 10,000, 15,000 also, that will help a lot to your family. So You need to take the responsibility of your family. Remember that. That is the reason you need to work hard. And coming to girls, I'll already say to my previous students, but one more time, new people are there. Don't take this in a wrong manner. I am saying this just like a brother for you. You know that you will not be staying in your own home. Obviously, you will be going to other home. That is for sure. If your father or parents are thinking about you, they should keep a hand on their heart and they should sleep peacefully. Yeah, my daughter is safe. And believe me, that is possible only if you are getting a job. Right now, if you need 5,000 or 10,000, whom you are going to ask? Your father or your parents, you're going to ask. Once you went to another home, trust me, that's not the same. It is not the same. When I say trust me, believe me. If you want anything, there are a lot of answering, you should be there. You need to answer for a lot of questions. But what if you are earning like 50,000 or 1 lakh per month? You are not answerable for your money, na? That is your money. So think about it, work hard. Just work hard. Am I clear with this? So, online students, I hope you understood exactly what I am saying. Please respond to the chat for me. This is for everyone. This is for everyone. What are the things which I am saying? This applies for everyone. And believe me, if anyone is married, then they will be able to know what exactly I am saying. A lot of questions will be there, a lot of answerings will be there, and a lot of responsibilities will be there. Right? So work hard, just work hard. You already spend your see up to 20 to 23 years, we can enjoy it. After that, no. We need to work. We need to work up to maybe 45, 50. After that, retirement. Then again, we can enjoy it. This is a time where you need to work hard. All right. So please try to work hard. And believe me, I'll be there for you. If you need any assistance, trust me, I'll be there for you. Feel free to ask me any question. I'll be there. I promise. Right? Am I clear with this? So the only thing is work hard. And yeah, one more day I'll do one thing, one fine day. You know what? After completion of our advanced Java classes, after the completion of our advanced Java classes, I'll let you know. There are 3 points which you need to remember once you got placed. Those 3 points I'll let you know after the completion of advanced Java. Clear? You are so looking like Abhishek. Yeah, you know Abhishek, cockroach party. Hey, come on, what? I don't, Abhijit, sorry, my mistake. Am I only person who is looking, seeing him like that? He's looking like Abhijit, no? Yes or no? Arey, stand up once. Turn. Sit down, please. Yes? Yeah, that's what. Fine, guys. That's it. That's it for today. Have a fantastic weekend, but don't forget to practice. See you again on Monday. Thank you. Thank you for listening.